Hi, hi, welcome to another video. Today in this video, we are going to talk about split testing, alpha beta testing within our ClickFunnels software. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, I have logged in my 14 days trial accounts ClickFunnels. I have the page, list of funnels page. Let me open one of the funnel pages. Okay, JSON daily deal funnel. So here what I'm going to do is, let me show you another thing also. Yeah, in the list of funnels, I haven't checked the another funnel page. Let me open it, the lead magnet. So what is the split testing? Here we have option for the split testing. Okay, we can create a two variation. One variation will be preview like this. If you want, you can click the another variation. What is the usage of split testing? Okay, as a funnel page builder, we don't know which page making the more conversion. Okay, we can have only one CTA button in our page. But where we need to place, we may have a confusion. Either we can place here or somewhere else. Okay, but at that time, within a ClickFunnels, we have option called split test. If we are having placed this place, what would be the conversion? If you are having the CTA button somewhere around in the page, what could be the conversion? Based on that, we can calculate our conversion rate. Okay, let's say we have a two pages in the split test variation. One variation giving a 60% conversion, another page giving a 40% conversion. Means we can drop the 40% conversion page. We can go with the 60% conversion page. Okay, then from there we can fine tune something why the 40% people is not coming to this CTA. That we can have some other thing like fine tune the page. That is how we can build the conversion by using this split test variation. Okay, I have created two split variation on one of my funnel page. Okay, I will show you. Yeah, here is the one of the page and this is the one of the page. We have a 50% traffic will come in this page and 50% traffic come to this page. So those two pages will be visible for the end user. Let me open to the new page. Yeah, this is the page. If I am refresh the page, now you take a look at it. The blue bar will come. The page layout coming like this. Okay, if I'm clicking ahead, and we'll do the one more time, clicking on it. It will take a time. Okay, let me open it in a incognito mode so that you will get to know. Now will you able to see the another variation? Maybe there can be a cache within this same window. I'm not able to get in. If I am opening it in an incognito mode, we have a two variation. One variation will be like this. If I am refresh the page, I get another variation. Okay, this is another variation. So this is how we can build our page in a two variation. One is the 50% traffic and another one is a 50% traffic. Means which one giving the more conversion. Based on the conversion rate, we can stick with the page design. Okay. So ClickFunnels giving the provision to create the split test. I hope you understand the split test importance within our ClickFunnels page. We may have a distraction, we may have a idea of placing the CTA button or something else, some designs. So based on the two variation, which variation giving our results? We are talking about the result oriented, right? So based on that split testing, we can come up to the conclusion on which page we can go for the conversion rate. Okay. So if you have any doubts, any clarification, any technical glitches, you can reach me. Else you can drop me my mail. Reach me at shankarprakash.com. Okay, I can ready to help you. Yeah, thanks for watching. We can see in another video.